Hello everyone, and today we are showcasing the Advanced Chute System along with the Catch Pro. We're going to, we've got a lawn here that has lots of leaves and debris and stuff on it. We're going to show you how the Advanced Chute System will mulch up these leaves, and how then you can put your Catch Pro on to vacuum up the mess. And the point of having these two as a combo is that the Advanced Chute will greatly decrease the amount of debris that you actually have to take away. Even though you'll be double cutting, it's going to be a quicker process. So with these two here, you can see the Catch Pro is on and the Advanced Chute is closed. And so this process is a pretty good process. So what we want to also highlight the fact is that with the Advanced Chute, you're actually going to be working more efficient and safer. You're going to be blocking out those clippings. You can see here we've got bark, sticks, there's probably some rocks in here along with the leaves, and having this stuff shooting out around people or windows and even your garden beds and stuff like that, it's much better to actually just keep that contained within the mower. So what we have here is, you can see that this debris is like greatly decreased. Over here where the grass is a little bit greener and there's not as much soil around, you can see we just have a few bits and pieces lying around. So we are now going to put the Catch Pro on and give it a good vacuum. And you can see how mowing a big area like this is only, a couple of minutes of work. Let's do it. as you can see, in less than 5 minutes of cutting with the Advanced Chute System and the Catch Pro, we've got like a pretty nice finished product here. So check these out on the website. Have a look at some other videos that we have of the Advanced Chute and the Catch Pro system working, and you know, let yourself experience working efficient, safer, and ultimately more profitable for your business. Thanks, guys. So you can see the size of the area that we mowed here today. We're just going to check out the pack. You can imagine if you were regularly discharging, there'd probably be, you know, leaves and stuff everywhere all over the boundaries. We actually did take a little bit of growth off as well. So this here is what we got off it. So you can see that that's really not much at all. And it's a result of the Advanced Chute system being able to break that stuff up.